Hi, thanks for clicking on the unboxing of the Infinity Kappa 62ix speakers. So when I decided to make this, I'm like, hey, when I get these in, I'm going to make an unboxing video. I was looking online at a bunch of different 6.5s, Infinity, JBL, Rockford Fosgate, and when I was looking at these, I could not find a video on YouTube. All I could find is people just blasting the speakers in their car, and that doesn't help me at all. Like, I want to know what comes in this box. So to start off with, what's in the box? There's two universal adapter rings right there, an Infinity logo. That's like a one that you can just stick on anywhere. I'm gonna probably stick this on the exterior of the rear door where I'm gonna be mounting it in my Hyundai Elantra. That is the little paper logo or a little sticker that you can put on the grills because they normally come with a black Infinity logo. If you want to go stealth, you can not put this on there. If you want it to stand out, put that on there. So there's gasketing. I'm not sure what that is. Your two screw types. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure. But there's two woofers, two coaxial woofers right there, and the two grills. So let's get started. I'll do a little go around to the box. So that's that side. What's in there? More logos of Infinity. Pretty much the same all around. All right. Get this open. So first thing, have a little manual. Put that down. I'll put the camera down right here. Let's see, make that even. All right. So, yeah, there's the bag with all your manuals. Basically, I looked at this earlier, and it just says like how everything's supposed to go together, but it's not very detailed. And I got a manual with my Kenwood head unit for my specific make and model of my Hyundai Elantra, and that goes way in more detail. This is pretty much a generic manual. They just tell you about all the products and some specifications. If you would like specifications, I'll put a link to the Crutchfield website for these speakers, and you can look at those. I'm not going to be listing that off. However, I will be installing these, so please stay tuned. To continue, the 3D Infinity logos that come with the little sticky side in the back. Then you can put these on your grills. Normally they have a black logo on the grill, and it's kind of still, so it's pretty cool. Depending on what car you have, you can do whatever you want. So, all right, camera's still good. Yeah, these are the universal brackets. I won't be using these. I will be using, hold on one second. We'll be using some Scotch stereo brackets specifically for my car, so I don't want to be modifying these at all. If I'm going to be doing an install, I want to do it right. Don't want to crack open the door panels at all after I'm done with this, only if I need to run wiring for like the amp that I want to put in here eventually, but I don't want to crack open the door, so I'm going to be using specific speaker adapter brackets for my car. Okay, there's those adapter brackets. Put this out of the way. Onto the speakers. So, have your little foam protecting it. Put that right here. Comes with two grills. I opened these earlier just to see what's in the box, if I needed anything else, because I'm going to be installing them tomorrow. But yeah, so there's a grill right here. And as you can see, there's the Infinity logo. So if you just, it's just the black Infinity logo, and it's matte in color. Yeah, there's little chrome accents on it. So if you have like a car, oh, sorry about that. Someone has a hoopty outside. I was trying to get started. So if you don't have any rear door panels on your car, or you're putting these on the rear window, and there's usually a grill there, remove your factory one, put this in. Looks a little bit cooler, or you can do whatever you want. Second one right there. Alrighty, so these are the 6.5s right there. I already took these out earlier so I could see what I needed, what's in the box, so on and so forth. There's all the screws. Yeah. Alright, so the most important part, why you clicked on the video. Yeah, so these 6.5s. They are a glass woven woofer. They call it a 1+ woofer, or a, what is it? +1, yeah, whatever. Same difference. +1 woofer. They're really light. Looking all around, they look really high quality. Supposedly they can go lower, sound a lot better than the reference series before this model. Also, here is the tweeter. You can actually move this, which is really cool. So when you install these, you can aim the tweeter to your listening position, and it will sound a lot better. The imaging will actually be a lot better because of that. So that's a little cool plus. There also is a little dip switch right here, as you can see. 0 dB plus 3 dB for the tweeter. So you can, whatever is going on in your install, I'd recommend not using this, because if you have a head unit that's pretty good with your settings and all your adjustments, then you can just mess with it on there. You don't have to crack open your door panel. If it sounds a little too sharp, you can crank it down in the EQ. But yeah, I forgot to say that this actually is copper. So I was a little apprehensive when I saw that this had a plastic basket, just because of resonance and everything. But supposedly the way they engineered this speaker is there is actually less resonance and it bends less than if it had a steel basket. So that is a big plus. Also, the terminals are really high quality. There's not like the normal plug-in terminals. You can actually have screws here. So, thank you for watching. I'll be doing an installation video of these speakers in my Hyundai Elantra, and yeah, stay tuned, as well as a 10-wood head unit that is right here. So, putting this in, as well as those speakers. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.